Recent times, we have seen there are many technologies are trending in the technology sectors. Almost all of the companies are adapting to these technologies to meet the market demand. With this, a lot of career opportunities are being created. Now the problem comes due to many technologies are trending. The job seekers are struggling to know which are the best technologies to have as a good career option in the technology sector. Every technology has its growth. However, in my view, I have listed some of the top 7 technologies which can be a good career option to choose. Hi, I'm Hamid Khan. Welcome to my channel, Fast Journal. I have been working in IT around about 15 years and also doing R&D on the latest technology in line with current job markets. In my research on latest technologies, these top 7 technologies are the ones are creating better career opportunities in technology sectors. Top trending technologies are number 7 is 3D printing, and number 6 is cyber securities, and number 5 is Internet of Things, number 4 is 5G network, and number 3 is blockchain, number 2 is robotic automation process, and one of the topmost trending technology in nowadays is artificial intelligence and machine learning. Let's dive in for more details on how these technologies are trending and why, and also their career opportunities. Before we proceed, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Today, technology sector advancing in rapid pace, and technology has also made its way into the future. Technology is best when it brings people together. The key promising trending technology in my list at number 7 is 3D printing. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing technology and also called as formulate prototypes. This technology generally used biomedical and industrial sectors. This method of creating a 3-dimensional object layer by layer using a computer-created design. For example, healthcare sector that required 3D printing for their products, organ designing or other prosthetic designs. This trending technology creating various jobs by paying attractive salaries. Some of the jobs created by 3D printing technology are CX program manager, 3D printer engineer, prototypes engineer, robotics developer or trainer, operations manager, a prosthetic and organ designer. This trending technology offers good career base and better career growth for longer term. Moving to next technology, cybersecurity is the practice of protecting systems, networks, and programs from any digital attacks or any cyber attack. The growing cyber threats day by day and the hackers accessing your data illegally and damaging the businesses and other losses. As long as we have hackers, cybersecurities will remain strong and keep trending technology. Some of the jobs offered in cybersecurities are ethical hackers, malware analysts, security engineers, chief security officers. Cybersecurity technology continues to be advanced, and the demand for skilled professionals are expected to be grow or persist. Career in cybersecurity, highly favorable and payable. Another new technology trend in my list, number 5, is IoT, Internet of Things. IoT is collective network of connected devices and communication between devices. This technology adds a device to an inert object, for example, vehicle, roofs, we can lock doors remotely and so on. IoT which enables all devices to connect to the home network, where you can use your computer or smartphone for various functions like monitoring air conditions, to see your security cameras in home, or locking your doors and other various functions. Nowadays, IoT has become every home need. IoT can enable better safety, effective in decision making for businesses as data is collected, analyzed, and processed. This trending technology offers good career growth, base, and benefits too. This trending technology offers various jobs and roles. By naming few are data analytics, IoT engineer, IoT digital consultants, some managerial jobs too. IoT always in demand for skilled professionals. Thank you for watching Career Tech Trends Part 1. And the Career Tech Trends Part 2 video will cover remaining top trending technologies. Meanwhile, please subscribe to my YouTube channel First K Journal and hit the bell icon for frequent updates on career tech trends. And also follow me on Facebook, Insta, and Twitter.